So this is a special tool where you pull the hair through. What is that tool called?
I don't know.
That's an I don't know. But it gives you the ability to pull hair through other strands. It's a very interesting tool. Works fantastic. We have a patent on it. See how she does it? She puts the hair through the loop, and then she takes it and puts it through one little area and pulls it down through like that. It's basically, you're kind of like tying knots almost, but making it very beautiful, as you can see. And then we're going to hit it with some hairspray. And look at that mane that we've created. It's fantastic. I'm going to pull some of these out. See that? She just gets a little hair there, so it's just kind of falling on the face. Oh yeah, that's looking good. So again, we're going to use this. This kind of ties it all together, helps to keep it in place, and creates a wonderful effect, as you can see. Nottingham Palace. Let's bend back a little bit and see how she's looking. Oh yeah, she's looking fantastic. I mean, I like that one strand hanging down in the face. Don't get it caught in your hair. What are you doing? We have this one little one right here. We're gonna just make it really cute. So it just kind of like, yeah, see that? And we're gonna do this one too. Bam, look at that. Now we've got just an unbelievable do. Check her out. What do you think, Sandy? She loves it. She loves it. We're trying to adjust these little strands up top just to make them look super good. She's pulling one out here. We're going to tease it a little bit.
I did not get out my part. I should have blowed it in. I want that middle part out of there, you know?
Oh, I see. Yeah, so you're just heating it up. We're very close, ladies and gentlemen, very close to a finished product. This is a little bit of trial and error. Grab our little thing, tie her in, and right there's where we're going. Pull it through, bam, look at that, nice.